Who can tell me? Who can tell me about the animal they chose? Okay, cool. Leo, morning. Leo,
Yeah.
hi. What animal did you choose for your project? Ah, yes, a silent animal. Leo, unmute yourself, please.
Yeah, I mean myself.
There you go, perfect. Leo, what animal did you choose?
I choose a killer whale, okay?
Killer whale. Okay, right. Killer whales, unfortunately, I don't think they're going to be very suitable for this because killer whales live everywhere. They can live pretty much everywhere. They don't necessarily live in specific climates. They move around. So
Yeah.
killer whales go, oh no, it's too cold here, so they go somewhere warmer. So it doesn't really work, unfortunately. Leo, my advice to you would be to use a different animal, an animal that lives on the land, okay? Leo, do you understand me?
Yep, I understand.
Okay, cool, perfect. Okay, great stuff, thank you. Ocean, what animal did you choose?
I choose a tiger.
Tiger, okay. What type of tiger? Aha, see? This is why I asked you yesterday to be really specific, because if you don't choose a specific animal, for example, if I said, hold on, okay, let's do this, let's go. Where do tigers live? Aha. And now I say, map. Let's have a look and see where tigers live. Well, tigers live in lots of places, right? They live here in the Ural Mountains. They live there, Himalayas. They live all over. Yes, thank you so much. But Ocean, what you need to do is be a bit more specific, okay? So what you could do is go, let's try think about a type of tiger. For example, let's go, where do Sumatran tigers live? Aha, there we go. So we have Sumatran tiger. Sumatran tiger live in Sumatra, which is in Indonesia. That's Malaysia, right? So there we go. This is what I would be choosing. It's a lot more specific, and it's a lot easier for you to try find a different place for that tiger to live. See what I did there, Ocean?
Yeah.
You understand that? So try be really, really particular, specific about the animal that you choose. All right. Caroline, what animal did you choose?
Penguin.
A penguin. What type of penguin?
Blue.
Blue penguin. Perfect. Okay. So tell me about where a blue penguin lives, please.
A blue penguin lives in temperate zones.
Okay. And so what's the temperate climate like?
It's mild climate.
Okay. And is it wet or is it dry?
Wet and dry.
Wet and dry. Okay. Cool.
It's mild.
Okay. Cool. Fine. Great stuff. And what do they need for shelter?
Water.
Water. What else?
No rain.
Yeah. They They need rocks as well, right? They need rocks and they need sand to make their homes. Okay, cool. Lewis, what animal did you choose?
I choose a wolf.
A wolf. What type of wolf?
Gray wolf.
A gray wolf. A gray wolf in Russia or a gray wolf in America?
In America and Canada and Alaska.
Okay, perfect. Good stuff. Excellent. So what's their climate like?
It's cold, like cold
Okay.
or cool.
Okay. And what about precipitation?
Precipitation is snow
It's
or
not.
rain.
Cool. Good job. Well done. Good stuff. Okay. Yeah, Lei Kang.
I write about zebra.
A zebra. Oh, cool. Good stuff. So what's tell me what are sorry.
Zebra live wide range in east and southern of Africa.
Cool. And what's the climate like?
White zebra live in temperature remain around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The year is divided between dry season with intense sunshine and months of rain.
Cool. Good job. Well done. Good information.
Zebra live in tropical zone.
Perfect. Excellent, Lei Kang. Great answer. Well done. Let's go for Mickey.
I choose a lion.
Lion. Okay, tell me about where does a lion live? 1 second. Don't keep talking, Mickey. I can hear you.
I choose about the penguin.
Penguin. Okay, what penguin?
The penguin lives in the polar zone.
What type?
Penguin.
Well, stop. What type of penguin?
The penguin.
Emperor penguin. Okay, cool. So yeah, tell me about where an emperor penguin lives, please.
The emperor penguin lives in the polar zone in fish. And it has the fire and it so it can stay warm in the polar zone.
Okay, cool. Good job. Well done. And Noob, what animal did you choose?
I choose killer whale.
Killer whale. Okay, killer whale won't work because killer whales live everywhere. It'll be too hard. So you need to change your animal to something on land, okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's go for P. P.
Yes.
No, you're Steve, not Chi.
Why you if your internet have a problem?
No. Does your internet have a problem? Chi, what animal did you choose?
Choose a tiger.
Okay, what type of tiger? What type of tiger? Okay, so again, you need to choose the exact type of tiger. You have to be very, very, very particular about the tiger you choose. Susie, what animal did you choose?
I choose a polar bear.
Okay, and where do polar bears live?
A polar bear lives in the Arctic.
Okay. What's the climate like there?
The climate is cold and snow.
Cool. And what do polar bears need for shelter?
A polar bear.
What does a polar bear need? Okay, so they need snow to build their dens, right? They need snow. Hannah, what did you choose?
I choose a cheetah.
Cheetah. Okay. Tell me about the climate a cheetah lives in.
Cheetahs live in Africa and in the Sahara Desert.
Mhm.
Place is very hot. Cheetahs live in the tropical zone. It eats meat and they need trees in Sahara Desert to make shelters.
Good job. Well done. Hacker. Hacker. You need to stop. You need to stop with the backgrounds. All of this. So, Hacker, what animal did you choose?
I cannot hear.
What animal did you choose?
A megalodon shark.
What?
A megalodon shark.
Okay. Megalodonic sharks don't exist. You cannot use an animal that is not real.
So I choose shark.
Okay. Can't use sharks because they don't live on land. Can you think of another one, please?
A lion.
Okay. Where do lions live?
Lion live in Africa or in Asia.
Okay. And what's the climate like?
The climate in there was hot.
What else? What about precipitation?
The precipitation of Asia and Africa, there are many drops.
Okay. Precipitation, the rain.
Rain. There are not much rain.
Okay, cool. Last one, kiwi. Kiwi, what animal did you choose? Kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwi.
Yes,
What animal did you choose?
I choose a cheetah.
Cheetah. Okay. What's the climate of a cheetah?
It is in the tropical.
Tropical. Okay. What's the temperature like?
It is very hot.
Okay. And the precipitation? Is there much rain, a lot of rain, a little bit of rain? No.
It is. Yeah, had less rain.
Okay, cool. So again, the point of this doing your homework was to prepare you to be able to figure out where these animals could live, find out somewhere else that they could live. So Yesterday, I showed you an idea about pandas. So who can give me an animal? Teddy, what animal did you choose?
I also choose the cheetah like you.
Okay, I'm not going to use it. A cheetah is not the best example. Laling, what animal did you choose?
Polar bear.
Polar bear. Okay, polar bears are too easy. Cindy, what animal did you choose?
I wait me a minute. My animal's name is too hard.
Animal's name is too hard
Wait
to
me.
say. Okay.
Is I choose a pangolin.
Pangolin. Oh, good day. Okay.
It's on extinction.
Yes. Okay. Pangolin.
And it is on tropical zone forest.
Okay. Tropical zone. Okay. So, Cindy, on the map, on this map, can you show me? Can you draw for me a circle where pangolins live? Can you draw a circle for me for where pangolins live? Here. Do they live there? Hold on. Okay, cool, right, good stuff. Okay, perfect. Cindy, I'm gonna make that a little bit smaller, just a little bit. Okay, so we said here, right? Great. Now, stop, Cindy, just one. Thank you. So, what we did yesterday was we said, right, now, we know that if pangolins live there, what we can do is we can draw a line through there, and we can draw a line here. We can start to look for places that pangolins could live. Now, you did research to look to see if it lives in the jungle, right? Cindy lives in the jungle. Cindy. It lives in the jungle, yes?
Yes,
Okay.
it's on forest grassland, but it can also on desert too.
Oh, interesting. So we can say, right, well, I can live in the desert. There's desert here.
It's on desert.
There's jungle here. There's jungle here. There's some jungle here. And I'm pretty sure there's some jungle here as well, maybe. So there we go. We've got lots of places where we could possibly find a pangolin to live. So this is what I want you guys to be able to do next is I want you to be able to take a map like this and try find some areas to do some research on that will help you to understand where we can move the animal from. The point of this project is to find a place for the animal to move to. Yes, Lei Kang, do you have a question? Or are you just trying to hit the tiger in the background?
No.
So you're trying to hook the tiger in the face.
No.
You have a question?
No.
You are dancing.
No.
Okay, cool. So this is what I want you guys to be able to do next. Now, I understand that a lot of you, and I can take that background off. Thank you so much. Hacker background off as well. You have a question? Yes, Hacker, do you have a question?
I have a question.
Cool, what is it?
Where's Mia?
Where's Mia? She's there in the middle. Why? Hacker, is it your job to be looking around and you should be paying attention to what I'm saying or what other people are doing? Good answer. Okay, now, I understand that a lot of you, if you look at a map like this, you're going to go, I don't know where anything is. That's okay. I don't expect you to know where everything is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use a different type of map. And this map is a lot more detailed, has a lot more information in it. So you don't need to know exactly where somewhere is just by looking at a map. What we can do is we can use a map like this, and we can draw on this map instead. So, Ming, where are you going? Ming, what animal did you choose?
I choose a penguin.
What type of penguin?
A penguin that lives in the.
So, Ming, stop there. Find out the actual name, not just where it lives. I want you to get the name of the penguin. The name. Kang, what animal did you choose?
Tiger.
What type of tiger?
More tiger.
A small tiger. That's, again,
Not a small tiger.
okay, what's the name then? What's the name of the type of tiger?
Amur tiger.
Amur tiger. Amur tigers, they live in like Russia, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amur tiger. So they live there, close to Japan. Perfect. Excellent. Right. So let's take the idea of the Amur tiger. So live here. What we said in Russia, close to Japan, right? Ming, do not draw on my screen again. So, no, get back. Okay, so we said they live here. So what I'll do is I'll draw a circle, a bit big, maybe a little bit higher. Okay. Delete. Draw. No, delete. Okay, draw a circle here. So the Amur tiger lives in this area, right? So that lives here. Cool. So now we zoom out. We now have circles on a map where the Amur tiger lives. Now, what we need to do is then find somewhere else, some other locations where the tiger lives. So what do? We draw a line. So we'll draw a line. Let's go here. So we'll go bah, and then we'll go all the way over here. That looks good. The equator is about here. So we need to make sure we get about the same distance from the equator. So it's there. Zoom out. So we need to say about here as well, right? There, there. Those are our two lines that are going to help us figure out where the tiger can live. Now, down here, it doesn't look like there's much option here, okay? So we go down, we find our line, we can go, okay, the very, very bottom of Argentina. Let's say, okay, let's put a circle here. This is an idea. So you can see Argentina, Chile. So you can start doing research and go, okay, well, hold on, I can look and see and look into Argentina and Chile as a place where I can do some research, see if I can make it work there. But I don't know if it's going to work there too well. What we can do is go, okay, well, hold on. Let's have a look here. So let's zoom in on here in Europe. Okay. We know the Amur tigers, they need forests, right? There's definitely forest here in Norway and in Sweden and in Finland. So you can scroll in here and you go, okay, well, hold on. In here, this area over here, I can do research here. You can look at, okay, Norway and Sweden. Look for a forest here, and you can see if it is the same as over there, the Amur tiger. Then you can go, well, hold on. What about over here in Canada? So you can put a circle here. And maybe in Alaska as well, you can put a circle here too. There we go. We go back out and zoom out on our map. You can see that we now have 1, 2, 3, 4 places that we can do research on. So there's our starting place where the Amur tiger is. There are, again, 1, 2, 3, and 4 different places around the world we can now start to do research on to see if it is suitable for the tiger to live. Everyone understand how I did that? Yeah? Let's do one more, okay? Let's do one more. So we'll go get a new map. And we'll take another animal. So Mia is a chair. Thanks for paying attention, Mia. Sal, good morning.
Can I just
What
say
is it?
Oh, 1 second. Sal, what animal did you choose?
I choose a killer whale.
Okay, killer whale will not work, unfortunately. We need a land animal. Yes, they can.
I choose a blue penguin?
A blue penguin. Okay, great stuff. Blue penguins, we said, live on the south coast of Australia here, and here, and here in New Zealand. Right?
Yes.
Cool. So, but then we scroll out. Let's draw some lines. Let's go. Oh no, too big, too big. So many worlds. So we'll draw a line. Ah, stop it. So, okay, whatever. We'll draw a line here, here, to here, and then we need to add another line. So the equator is here. We can say here,
Teacher,
here.
the number get upside down.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So there and there. Cool. Great stuff. It is upside down, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. Now we have a line that's going to help us try find other locations that the blue penguin could maybe live. So looking along that line, we can go, okay, well, here's pretty close. So there, let's go.
South America.
Yeah, South Africa. Great, Cape Town, even better. Be really, really particular about where we're looking. Let's have a look again, go, okay, maybe
South America.
over here. Cool. Let's go zoom in there. And we can see, oh, Argentina, close to Buenos Aires, even better. Excellent. Let's zoom out. Let's go up the top line. Go, okay, we can definitely maybe go up here. Here we go. What's there? Portugal. Awesome. Zoom out again. Go all the way over here. Let's go here. What country is that? Japan. Korea. So again, just by using this map, we've said, well, it lives here in South Australia and New Zealand, but we can also find places in and around the world like South Africa or Argentina or Portugal or even Korea are possible places that we can do research on. Okay? Everyone understand? Yes, they can give a question.
If Greenland have the blue penguin live in?
I don't know. That's a really good idea, a really good question. Well, the thing about Greenland is it's actually mainly ice. I don't know why it's called Greenland. Greenland is just ice. You have Iceland, which is green, and Greenland, which is ice. Don't ask me, I didn't name anything. So that's what I want you to do for today, okay? I want you to look at a map like this, and I'll send you this link, and you can do this yourself. And you can find areas on the map you can do research on that you can then try find a suitable habitat. So that's the first step, okay? You can tell me, why should you choose more than one location? Why more than one location? If you're trying to find a new home, why do you look in more than one place? Eddie, sorry, say again, please.
So you can find the perfect home for the animal.
Exactly. Good job. Well done. You can find the perfect home. Think about it like this. When you're looking for a new house to live, you go see one house and then go, okay, this is it. Perfect. Bye-bye.
No.
You look around, right? You try to find something that is going to meet your needs. So the place on the map, it may be in the right climate zone, the altitude, how high it is, the habitat or other environmental factors like food or being able to get shelter. Think about it as the blue penguin, right? The blue penguin needs to make burrows in rocks and in sand. If the climate, if the place doesn't have sand or doesn't have rocks, will the blue penguin be able to find shelter? No. Right? So you've got to find somewhere that meets the needs of the animal, okay? So you come back to this idea of, well, we have these areas, South Africa, Argentina, Portugal, and Korea and Japan. Maybe they're in the right climate zones. Maybe they've got the right idea for the penguin, but it may not be suitable for it. And that's where we've got to do our research, okay? I'm going to show you this as an example now, okay? So when we do analysis, when we try to understand, the best thing to do is get as much information as you can. That's going to help you figure out as much as you can. So, for example, when you find out the precipitation or the temperature of a location, it's going to give you a really good idea about the suitability, if that place is the right place for the animal to move to. And I can show you this now. So this is one very simple table, and I'm going to ask you to do this yourselves. I'll show you how to do it now. Is that when we find some locations that could suit, are in the right climate zone. So I did one for the panda I spoke about yesterday. So I said that the panda lives in the Chinese jungle. So let's look at precipitation in Chinese jungle. Okay. So the annual precipitation is 1560. Okay, 1560. So I can say, well, there we go. The precipitation is 1560 millimeters. Okay, and then looking at a map I drew to find out where, I said, okay, well, hold on. If the panda lives here, I can look here in Mexico. I know that there's jungle there. And I can look in Australia because I know there's jungle there too. So I did my research. The panda lives here. I'm going to look at the jungle in Mexico, and I'm going to look at the jungle in Australia and see if I can find somewhere suitable for the panda to live.
Brazil have a jungle too.
Yeah, Brazil does have a jungle, but for this, I'm just going to show you this, okay? So I'm going to look at precipitation in the Mexican jungle. Mexican jungle. What's the info? Oh yeah, sorry. Mexican jungle. Let's go Yucatan. Yucatan is the name of the jungle. So they get about 1,000 millimeters of rain a year. 1,000 millimeters of rain. And let's go to the Australian jungle for the last one. Australian jungle. Australian jungle. So you get about 200 to 400 millimeters a year. That's not a lot. So that's like 300. 300. So now we have precipitation for 3 areas we could move the animal to. So we looked at China, it's 1560. Mexico is 1000 and Australia is 300. What can you see already about this information? What does this information tell you already?
Yes. No.
What does it tell you?
It tells me the precipitation of each triangle.
Okay, and when you compare them against each other, are they the same?
No.
No. So, Steve,
Yes.
tell me about the precipitation of China compared to the precipitation of Mexico. Which one is higher?
China.
China. If I wanted to move a panda from China to Mexico, do you think that it would be wet enough for the panda?
No.
No, maybe not, right? And that's what we need to do. So let's try this again. Let's not do precipitation. Let's go temperature.
Temperature.
Temperature in Australian jungle is 20 to 34 degrees Celsius. Let's put the highest one in. Let's go 34 degrees Celsius. And then let's change it again. Let's go Mexican jungle. 17 degrees. Ooh. 17 degrees. And then let's go the last one for the Chinese jungle.
Chinese.
Yeah. You see, not doing much here. I'm not changing too much. Oh, no. Okay. Cold weather. Oh, it's cold. I'll give me this. Go average temperature. Chinese jungle. Fine. So in China, go around 10. We looked at this yesterday. It was around, I remember, it was around 12 degrees, wasn't it? Okay. So again, what can we see here?
We see the temperature.
Okay, and how did the temperatures compare against each other? Anna, what can you see about the temperature in China compared to the temperature in Australia?
The temperature in China is less than temperature in Australia.
Exactly, right? So again, we're moving a panda from a kind of cold place to a very warm place. You think the panda is going to be happy?
No.
No, exactly.
Never.
Exactly. So, but Mexico at 12, 17, it's a little bit hotter. It's not as wet. So, does Mexico look like a good choice? Yeah, maybe it does. So this is what I want you to do for today. I want you to choose 3 to 5 locations around the world, make a map like I did here, do some locations, and see if you can find some similar places. The point is that I want you to be able to make a table just like this and compare information. Tables allow us to compare sets of results, and we can find somewhere that's more suitable for the animal. Okay, so what I want you to do is you choose 5 locations around the world, and you fill in the table like I did here with all this information. You write the name, you write the precipitation, the temperature, the climate zone. This information here. So for the Lacandon jungle in Mexico, okay, which is the name of the jungle in Mexico. There are 22,000 millimeters of rain per year. That's a lot of rain. The temperature is always above 18 degrees Celsius. The climate is mostly hot and humid. There's rainfall in summer and in fall, and it is in tropic zone. So we go back to this table here. We can put all that information in here for Mexico. And then once we've got the information for all the locations that you choose, you can start to compare them. Okay. The more information you have, the easier it will be for you to find a suitable location to move your animal to. Does everyone understand what I want them to do for their homework? So I want to go around the room to make sure we all understand. So Emma, do you understand what you're going to do?
We will choose 5 locations.
And then what? So choose 5 locations and then fill out this information, okay? Fill out this information. Please, like right now, I need to know right now if you do not understand what we're gonna do. So much easier if you ask me now. Teddy, you understand?
Yeah.
Teddy, do you understand, yes or no?
But we will draw a table and choose 5 of the location, and then we will write the precipitation, temperature, and climate, and the climate zone.
Yeah, perfect. Excellent. Anyone else, please explain it to me.
Ocean, do you know what you need to do for your homework?
Music 2.
What? So you choose 5 locations, and then you fill out this table. Okay, you get the information for this table. I will send you a slide. I will send you this table. You just need to fill it out with locations that are suitable. Understand? Everyone.
can hear.
Okay, Ocean. I will send you this table. Yes? I will send you this. You choose 5 locations on a map. Move your animal to. And then you fill out this information. Do you understand?
Yes,
Okay, great. Okay, that's for your homework. I'll get that sent to you. I'll also get time to correct your homework as well. So don't start just yet until I've corrected your homework. And Miss Lan wants to speak with you for just a moment.
Các bạn ơi, tí nữa tiết 3 mình sẽ vào lớp của cô đầy đủ nhá. Để còn tại vì ngày mai mình sẽ có bài kiểm tra unit test, nên ra là tí nữa mình sẽ ôn tập. Được chưa? Các bạn vào lớp đầy đủ để mình xem nội dung mình cần ôn tập cho ngày mai là gì nhá.
Why always test?
Ok.
Sao nào một test vậy cô?
Bye.
Bye bye.
If anyone has any
Bye,
questions,
bye,
you can
bye,
email me.
bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.